Okay, I got this package in the mail. This is from Feyachi, and you've probably seen some red dot sites going around. I've seen their red dot sites kind of going around. And let's see what they sent me to do a review on. They did send this out to me. I had to pay shipping, but they paid for the product and sent it out to me. There we go. This is Feyachi, the flashlight. And this is their F11-M tactical flashlight. Wow, this looks good. Let's see. Looks like it's got 2 batteries. And it is supposed to be 1200 lumens. Here's a curly cord, which I'm going to definitely use. And it's got a battery charger here. That's pretty awesome. So let's see if these batteries actually have any charge on them, and open them up here. This thing is supposed to be 1200 lumens. 1200 lumens. It doesn't even weigh that much. That's pretty cool. Sorry for the background noise. I got a refrigerator in this kitchen that buzzes, and it's got a pet turtle my wife has. She's making all sorts of noise. Let's see. Is this thing... Oh, nope. Batteries are not charged. So we'll have to charge them overnight and finish this video tomorrow. We'll see how they work. I don't like the fact that it has these big 3 volt, 3.7 volt batteries that are its proprietary type batteries, but hey, I mean, if they work, they work. So we'll charge them up, and then we'll see what it looks like on the AR-15. And in this white box is all of your mounting kit for an AR or for a Picatinny rail. It's nice and solid. Decently made. One screw is falling out in the package here, but still in there. That's good. Once the batteries charge up, we will show you how bright it is. We'll compare it to our O-Light that's also supposed to be 1200 lumens. Okay, so I've got this Feyachi all charged up. In fact, I think I had the batteries in it wrong. It's kind of counterintuitive. Just so you know, if you get one of these, let me read the instructions, but it actually goes in. What is counterintuitive? This negative side goes in on this and not on the spring way down in there. You have to put them in backwards. What would be backwards to most people. And it lights up pretty bright. Alright. It's supposed to be 1200 lumens. And it's supposed to have, let's see, according to the box here, that's everything there. All the specs. Supposed to work down to -20. That's good. Really good for where I am. Here's the mounting hardware. One thing I did, I was reading through the instructions here, and I didn't see anything in the English instructions for how tight you are supposed to torque the torque wrenches. So that's one suggestion I would give to them. I'm going to try, 30 inch-pounds on this right here, and probably 20 inch-pounds on these right there when I torque it on permanently to see how well it is. But it is nice right there. Okay, after torquing this on properly, definitely some things I really like. I like the way this pressure switch is designed. It has 2 levels here. Your top level is your permanent on, and your bottom level is your momentary on. That is nice to have on a pressure switch. That's a well-designed pressure switch. There's the momentary on and the permanent on. Now, there was one little problem that they should probably fix. I didn't have any adhesive on the back of this. There was no adhesive to pull out on this one. I'm sure they'll fix that. I'm just going to use super glue. Not a big deal. Gorilla glue or something. I'm a little bit hesitant to put it where I like it, which is right there on the mag well, because I like to use the mag well, because my arms are too short for a C-clamp. But I was thinking about maybe putting it right here, up on the angled grip, or even putting it on the rail itself. Y'all give me suggestions on that. It is on the right side of the gun for a right-hander, and I can see it pretty good there. Looks great. So why don't we compare its brightness? It's supposed to be 1200 lumens to my 1200 lumen PL2 Valkyrie. So why don't we compare that? This thing can fry marshmallows, according to Daniel God is my judge. So let's see. Let's compare that. Now, before we compare, both these guns are empty. Magazine. Both pistols are empty. So here's a dark hallway in my house. I don't think that shining in the woods is either practical, and when you live in apartments, probably not the best thing to do to have an AR-15 running around the apartment complex shining into the woods. So here is the Feyachi Momentary. Pretty bright. And permanent on switch. And it looks like it's going to corner just well on that. Here is the PL2 Valkyrie from the Olight. Also very bright. Let you compare them there again. Here is the Feyachi. And here's the PL2 Valkyrie. Both are very good lights. I love having this light on my handgun. But I like this Feyachi too. It's going to be a nice little addition to this AR pistol build. Well, there you go. I hope this is informative for you. Link for the Feyachi is down in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Patreon links also in the description. So make sure you check out the Feyachi. They have some red dot sights, some scopes, some cheap scopes if you're looking for a cheaper scope. And should be a nice company. This is well made. I'm not going to torture test this and beat it in the sand. That's not what it's for. It is for just a little home defense light. And it works and it's bright. God bless. Take care. We will see you at the range.